Here's a look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Thursday, August the 27th, 2009. We had mentioned that these several days of consolidation were likely to have a break, and we were mentioning it likely to go down, although certainly not expecting it 100%, but leaning that way. And we did have a good sell-off early in the day. By the way, this is a combined market profile here from the past 4 days, and this is what occurred overnight. The one on the right side here is just the regular trading hours today, and right up in here, this is where the market opened this morning and came down, made the low early in the day, and basically turned around and rallied for the remainder of the day. So that even though the market did drop as we expected, that kind of bounce off there is pretty doggone bullish. And so we're really looking at probable support either in around the 25 area or around the 23 area with a bullish bias, unlike going into today when we were thinking more down than up. And so this is pretty strong, and then we're looking at around in the 131 area is the next resistance, and then around 1000, I should say, and 31 in 1032 is initial resistance, and then 1036 is the next area of resistance. You can see here on the individual daily profiles how we've gone up and then had this good sell-off with a nice bounce off of the lows here today. Now here's our individual software here, and you can see that the market, when it did sell off, it did offer us a couple of short trades in here, only hitting the first objective. We then had opportunity on a nice deceleration bar here to get long. This trade was actually when our filter was neutral, and so we're only taking trades in the neutral filter when we have good supporting structure, not only in conjunction with the intraday auction, but with the current day's real-time structure. And we did have that today, so we're able to have a nice rally up off of that low. We had another couple of opportunities also to get long as the market hit up onto other areas of barriers. When it came into here, hit a barrier, showed that it was likely to hold above it, another entry in there, and another possible entry for some of our traders as the market made new highs in here. So it was a very interesting day in that it did have the follow through lower with a good turnaround and then a move higher, expecting more of the same. We do think that either in the 23 or 25 area is likely to be support, as I was mentioning, with an upward bias. If it should come back down, however, and hold for some period of time below 23, some period of time being an hour or two, then it could have a good sell-off. So that's obviously a possibility. Not expecting it, but it is a possibility. Other than that, we are expecting the market to hold and to move higher off of those levels I was just mentioning. And should it get up above 36, that's very, very bullish. Any questions or comments, please send them on over. We'd love to hear from you. Our address there, info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and of course our website where you can view any other videos. So I'd love to hear from you. Give us a holler. That'll be it for today, Thursday, August 27th, 2009.